This is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
Okay, Jan, it's time to go. Let's start breaking it down. There are some things to get to. Significant snow still to come overnight tonight, but not for Grand Rapids. Yes, finally, I can say that, I think, with complete certainty. Yes, 8 inches yesterday at the airport in GR, 3.3 inches ever since midnight this past overnight. So a total of 11.3 inches total. Can we pick up some additional snow? Maybe, you know, like a dusting or coating at some point tomorrow afternoon as the snow band out over Lake Michigan starts to work back inland. We'll track that tomorrow afternoon. I think it will be falling apart, though. So what are you going to wake up to tomorrow morning in GR? You're not waking up to any snow. You're going to wake up to frigid temperatures, though, perhaps as low as 0. That may be a little bit extreme. We'll have to see how these clouds pan out in the overnight. Officially, we're going 4 degrees, but it will be bone chilling out the door tomorrow morning. At least the winds will be fairly light, though, so wind chills are not a huge concern, though any air motion will take the wind chills down to about -5 to -10 degrees or so, somewhere in that vicinity to begin the last day of this work week. 17 degrees right now on the thermometer, a southwest wind. There it is, pretty light at about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Now, the weather headlines, let's get to it. Heavy lake effect snow overnight tonight. It's not even near its heaviest point on the radar right now, but we've got this fetch from north to south over the eastern end of Lake Michigan, and that will be plowing a big-time snow band down into Allegan and Van Buren and Berrien counties overnight. More on that to come. And then milder on Saturday, so we do get back into the low to mid 30s, it looks like, during the evening on Saturday, even overnight into Sunday morning. You're going to church, whatever you're doing, and then boom, we fall off the cliff. It'll be upper teens by late day on Sunday, and that'll trigger some additional flurries and snow showers into Monday. That's a little bit of a wild card in the forecast. I do think there will be additional accumulations, lake effect variety on Monday. How much? Well, it remains to be seen. I don't think it's anything like what we had yesterday or today, but some additional accumulations, understand, will likely start to flare up overnight Sunday into the day on Monday. Additional accumulations tonight in these blue shades, especially that deepest blue. That's where I've got 5 to 10 plus inches. There is some chance if this band just kind of sits over the same areas in this overnight and into tomorrow morning, you could get over a foot. So we'll see about that. The surrounding areas of the baby blue, yeah, a couple more inches, a few inches. I think in and around the Holland area where we got some video of visibilities down to around 0. Earlier this afternoon, I think you've shut it down for a while, but through tomorrow morning, that band will start to come back inland, and it's going to look white yet again, I think, through the mid to late morning and early afternoon on the day. Friday, very cold air. These are not wind chills. Check this out, -17 degrees in Grand Forks. How about -16 in Minot, North Dakota? Yeah, when it's that cold there, it's rarely going to get that cold here, but representative of a very chilly air mass that is going to have some ramifications overnight tonight. 17 on a thermometer locally. We may get down to 0. That is a possibility. It's on the table. I wouldn't say it's likely, but it is conceivable there early tomorrow morning. Call it about 16 or 17. That should read at 7 o'clock. Drop it back a couple degrees from there. You get the idea. It's down into the teens. If anything, a degree or 2 or 3 lesser than what I've got through those time increments. Partly cloudy skies to mostly cloudy skies. That's what will dictate whether or not we get, you know, to the extreme lows tonight is the cloud cover. If we can clear this out for a stretch overnight with this fresh snowpack down, we are going to plummet. Just go right off the cliff in terms of the temperatures. The snow band, which was atop Grand Rapids for hours again today, even longer than anticipated, that has worked southward into Allegan County, broken up a bit, but it is going to reestablish itself in a big way overnight tonight, really late evening into the overnight. You can see that as I was talking about the fetch. That's the distance over the water. When it has a long time to go over the water, it can pick up more moisture, and that band is going to be a deep purple coming into, again, extreme western Allegan County, western Van Buren, northern Berrien, especially in Cass counties, and there will be significant accumulations, perhaps as much as a foot or so in some localized spots. See that band starting to come back inland through tomorrow morning and afternoon. So Ottawa County, another light accumulation of snow. It's going to be falling apart, though, as it does get into Kent County. So I can't rule out another coating tomorrow afternoon. But, folks, it is nothing compared to what we've already had. For all intents and purposes, it is game over in Grand Rapids. Looking chilly, though. Still that bit of a warm-up next week. I'm tracking 33 and 34 by Wednesday and Thursday.